ito nabanggit na nga ni President Sisson. Sa tingin niyo po, kailan kaya possible na talagang mabuo itong department?
Well, ASAP. First of all, I would like to commend relief operations being done now by the Executive Department, pati yung actions ng local government and other concerned agencies dito sa Batanes. Maganda ang pag-handle ng response dito sa Batanes earthquake. And sa tingin ko, itong Dream Department should be a law immediately. And we'd like to invoke Section 48 at Section 52 of the House Rules na kapag pumasa na siya on the third reading, siguro by the vote of the majority, ay pwede na talaga ma-fast track agad ito. Total certified as urgent naman ito. And if the majority leader, the speaker, chooses, pwede talagang mapabilis itong pag-approve ng department.